Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami dragon claw. So this fits on your finger and you can make a whole bunch of them and put them on both of your hands. But now let's start. So what you're going to begin with is taking this edge right here and folding it to the longer edge here. So take the short edge and kind of make a little triangle along this edge here. And now you are going to crease. So it's like this. Now you are going to fold this to here. And sorry if you hear some background noises, my cats are playing. And now that you have these two folded up here, you're going to take this point and bring it down to this point right here. Now you're going to fold this up and fold it in half. Then you're going to open it up and take this edge right here and fold it down to the middle. And do the same right here. Now you're going to open this one up and fold this up to here and then fold this one down. And now you're going to take this flap and with this one right here, you're going to tuck it in to the flap right here. So now this is the opening right here, and you can fit it on your finger. So thanks for watching, and see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.